we have an opportunity to connect our curriculum to the real world. We need to explore these connections. Our students not always see these connections. How exciting it will be to make them realize these connections through physics experiments. And this is what we do in the physics lab here at Ahmedabad University. The pedagogical experiments, for example, the blank lab pedagogy which we have adopted in our physics labs here is very exciting as well as challenging, unlike the conventional physics labs which we see around in the universities. In the blank lab pedagogy here, our students, when they enter the lab, what they all see is just tables and chairs. There are no standard equipments. Of course, there are certain tools. They are given a one-liner physics theorem or physics objective to prove. They are divided into groups. They discuss the idea, they come up with a solution. They have to work on the experiment on a very modest budget. They utilize the workshop facilities here and they realize the experiment. They go in the workshop, they drill, they weld, they cut, they 3D print and laser engrave the objects and give them a shape and make them work in a working model. Through those, they conduct physics experiments, they quantify the errors and so on. One question is why we have adopted such pedagogy. One of the things is, as I already mentioned, that we need to make them realize the connections with the real world. Another thing is we force their brains, because when they do discussions, when they do class presentations, they cannot copy each other's idea. Okay. Also, they work on a limited budget, so they start looking around and seeing day-to-day objects as potential tools which they can use in their physics experiments. So there is collaboration, there is interdisciplinarity, and there are real-world connections in our physics labs.